Welcome back. Today we are making the ultimate 5 iftar foods that complete the table perfect for your iftar table. Let us get. After a long day of fasting, relief finally arrives. It's tradition, warmth, togetherness. These 5 dishes complete the Ramadan table. First, lentil soup. Warm, gentle, and deeply nourishing. For many, this is the first true comfort of iftar. Next, stuffed grape leaves. Every bite carries tradition, a symbol of home and family gatherings. Crispy sambousek adds joy, crisp outside, savory inside, always the first to disappear. Fattoush brings balance, fresh herbs, crisp vegetables, it refreshes the entire table. And finally, kunafa, sweet, warm, irresistible, the perfect ending to iftar. Together, these dishes complete the iftar experience. Which one feels like home to you? Want more easy iftar ideas? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a recipe this Ramadan.